Good afternoon. Welcome to day 434 here of our daily COVID briefings from the EMA office. I'm joined today with EMA Director Herb Simmons, and we're going to get right into the numbers. In St. Clair County, we tested 358,060, which is an increase of 759 since yesterday. Positive test results are 30,964, which is an increase of 32 since yesterday. Those are males and females under the age of 1 up to their 70s, and that brings our daily county positivity to 4.2%. Our negative test results are at 327,096. Sadly, we are announcing an additional COVID-19 related death today, bringing our county-wide death total related to COVID-19 up to 479. That death was a male in his 40s, and he did have underlying health conditions. Our sympathies go out to his family and friends. For those that have completed their IDPH required 10-day isolation period, we are at 30,287. For state totals, they've tested 24,124,753. Positive test results are 1,373,457. That's an increase of 1,573 since yesterday. The state did announce 21 additional COVID-19 related deaths, bringing the statewide death total to 22,556. For hospitalization numbers, the most recent numbers from our county hospitals are 12 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness, with 1 patient on a ventilator. Regionally, 38 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness, with 3 patients on ventilators. There are no changes in our congregate living facilities since yesterday, and testing remains critically important for those who feel they might be displaying symptoms of COVID-19 or could have been exposed to someone who has tested positive. Testing is available Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. at St. Clair Square and daily at various pharmacies and urgent care centers throughout the county. I'll now turn it over to Director Simmons for his update.
Thanks, Brian. Appreciate that. We'll talk about some other information when we get through with the zip code report. Zip code, we have 11 of them to report on today out of the 27 in the county. So 62204 goes up 2 to 428. 62206 goes up 2 to 1,426. 62207 goes down 1 to 645. 62208 goes up 3 to 1,750. 62220 goes up 3 to 2,208. 62221 goes up 1 to 2,960. 62223 goes up 4 to 1,876. 62226 goes up 2 to 3,399. 62232 goes up 4 to 949. 62254 goes up 1 to 836. 62269 goes up 6 to 3,470. 62285 goes up 1 to 602. As Brian said, the daily county positivity rate at 4.2%. The county 7-day rolling average 2.7, up from the 2.4 that it was yesterday. The regional positivity remains the same at 2.3. Surrounding counties checked in today: Bond County 7.5, Clinton County 1.9%, Madison 2.2, Monroe at 0, Randolph at 0.3%, St. Clair 1.1%, and Washington at 0%. Brian, the another death in the county today. The concerning part about that, the last 2 days, the 2 deaths, residents in their 40s.
In their 40s,
And
yes.
today, if you looked, out of the 32 new cases we had, 20 of them were under the age of 40. The health department called over a while ago with some information. Why don't you tell our St. Clair team members about that?
They did. One of the things that we talk about with why vaccination is so important, vaccination also helps the virus to stop morphing. And we've talked about variants, and a few weeks ago we announced the UK variant was here in St. Clair County. Health Department reported this afternoon there are a few more cases of the UK variant reported today. And today, for the first time, we are reporting a new case of the Brazilian variant that has been detected here in St. Clair County. And the health department is going to have more information on their Facebook page later today about the different variants and what those strains are. But they emphasize that that's why vaccination is so important, to prevent this virus from morphing into other variants that could maybe not be susceptible to the vaccination.
Well, and that's why, you say every day, and we reported that, testing is still vitally important. And, even if you've got those days where you feel a little ill, go up, get tested. It's free. Still at the mall. Every, what is it, Monday?
Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday.
So there's no reason why not to. And like I said, we got that information this afternoon, and we wanted to get it out here to you. Is just being transparent, being informational, and as Brian said, the health department is staying on top of this type of developments every day. We're in communications with them, and we will continue to do that. We have for 434 days. The test site, as we say, each and every day, is open every day but Wednesday at the fairgrounds, and it will be until May 30th, and it will be ceasing operations there, but then the operations will be moved to 330 West Main Street here in downtown Belleville. The plans are already there how to continue to make that the drive-through. So for those of you who maybe just got your shot this week or late last week, you'll be able to get your second one at 330 West Main Street and still in the comfort of your car. And we're going to keep updating that every day, letting you know about that. If you know a friend or family member out there who hasn't made their mind up to get the vaccine, please try to convince them of that because with these new variants coming up here in the county, the last thing we want to do is to go backwards. Our numbers are looking great. We're on target to open the entire state up come July the 11th, and that's our target. I'm sorry, June the 11th.
June the 11th.
Don't get me scared there. June the 11th, that's the date we've got marked on the calendar to where we can get back to whatever the new normal is going to be. And but we need everybody's help to continue to stay alert and stay cautious. Remember to practice personal hygiene, washing the hands. We don't want to go back to having to wear the mask unless we're out in those large crowds. Summertime coming on, as Chairman Kern says all the time, summertime can be our friend with this virus. And so we've got everything going in the right direction. The light at the end of that tunnel we talked about for so long is brighter now than it ever has, so we definitely don't want to go backward. So we don't have Cindy with us today, so we'll be back tomorrow for day 435 here at the EMA office with the new numbers and any updates that come in. Everybody have a good evening.